that he'd evaluated in Evidence 1 already mentioned. The culprit company is a company that is currently going through difficult times because it has presented several problems in its financing, or because they are not taking the necessary measures to face all these problems. And that is causing the company to have difficulties in almost areas. Some of the areas we have been reviewing are the production area, the sales and administration area, and each of them we are seeing that it has had problems in the functions of each position. So we must take measures so that the company as a whole begins to improve so that all the departments of the company begin to have a significant improvement and your finance improve in a short period of time. For this reason, we have decided to make an improvement plan so that the company finally lives and its finances improve. Since all the logistics that the company manages are affecting all the other factors of the company. Then, we will begin to see each of the proposals so that the company begins to apply and we will see how the organization is improving little by little. Administrative process. It was suggested that the administrative process its constituent element are the forecast or planning, which is the calculation of the future or forecast and the preparation of the partner. The function of the organization is to provide it with everything that is useful for operation, where these elements can be divided into a material organism and the social organisms. Leadership motivation and teamwork. One of the theories on motivation to identify three types of the basic needs: power, association, and achievements, and immerse diagnosis of the administrative area, production, marketing, accounting, and final structural analysis, interviews and observations, while by be carried out that while allowing knowing the internal and external environment in which the company operates. To identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and three it has. Formulation of the improvement plan and observation will be carried out with the members of the company to recognize the aspect to be improved, and they will formulate the improvement plan that will define the strategies to be implemented. Implementation of the improvement plan, the action will execute appropriate strategies and then the results obtained will be analyzed. Obtain the commitment of senior management. Since the improvement plan must be the protagonist of senior managers, since they are responsible. Give strength and commitment to this process. Ensure participation in teams of employees. Get individual participation. Determine the planning of the company that encompasses the mission, vision, policies, values, principles, and objectives. Plan the correct strategies to achieve the objectives. Create the organization chart of the company. In order for the company to manage a greater order, design the manual of function for each position. Analyze and forecast the need of the main clients, suppliers, distributors, creditors, shareholders, and employees. Define a process for the selection of personnel. Create participation mechanisms for employees. Implement incentive plans for employees that stimulate behaviors that lead to the achievement of individual and organizational